Drop a like.
They stop it.
Ah, my toe! I do apologize if I sound conceited because my sister has been telling me that I sound conceited in my videos. So I'm trying to like sound the least conceited ever. So like, hi you guys! I am finally back. This is quite exciting. Do you guys see around? I'm not in my cramped up car or in my living room at home. So that as well was another reason why I kind of stopped, because I didn't have anywhere to film and I didn't have lighting. Let's just go ahead and get started and start explaining what the hell we're doing today. I am gonna have someone come in and do my makeup, and technically it's gonna be a Q&A doing my makeup type of thing, but except of me doing it, it's gonna be somebody else doing it. He's not a professional. It's not a girl either, because I just said he, right? He's my coworker and he does bully me. So I would say my bully slash co-worker does my makeup. And you guys are probably like, okay, where the fuck is this person? He is not here. Let me tell you guys why. Whenever I say something, he laughs at me. So I can't just be like, hi you guys. He's gonna be like, and I'm gonna be like, oh my god, stop it. You know, this is gonna take like 2 hours, 3 hours. So yeah, that was not gonna work out. So I'm not wearing the same outfit. You're gonna be like, what the fuck just happened there, you know? I'm just gonna stop because I talk way too much, and we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video, or introducing him, whatever. We're just gonna go ahead and jump into the next step. Okay guys, so this is
Oscar,
and he's gonna be the one who's gonna be doing my makeup. So let's hope he doesn't mess up that much. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video.
handsome boy.
Okay guys, so we're gonna be doing this laying down. We're gonna be asking him a few questions. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started.
Baby skin for a baby. She's 15.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and ask him some questions. So Oscar, how old are you?
I'm gonna be 20
When?
in 10 days.
So his birthday's on September 13th. Where do you go to school?
I dropped out.
He did not drop out. He goes to El Camino College. What are you majoring, or what are you like studying for?
I'm majoring in psychology. This is from Mota, and this this black thing. This for the eyebrows, I guess.
The brush is from BH Cosmetics, and we're gonna go ahead and use the Cella, I believe that's what it's called, the eyebrow pomade. Oh yeah, he wants to major in psychology because he has like psychological problems, so he wants to learn how to help himself, you know. But
You're gonna be like my first like patient in the room.
what are you trying to say?
You have problems from
Ulta?
Aesthetica / Ulta.
Ignore the nasty ass way that I'm chewing my gum.
Aquí mira. Aquí mero, aquí Carla.
He's gonna use the Laura Paris Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in shade 02.
By Ulta, bro. Let's go.
I did buy it at Ulta, so you guys can go ahead and purchase it at
So
Ulta.
you put a little bit, then you put where you fucked up, basically.
Oscar, what are your hobbies?
I'm lonely, so I don't know.
He's lonely. He's looking for a
No,
girlfriend.
I'm not. Don't hit me up.
If you guys want to
Actually,
hit him
yeah,
up,
but nah.
if you guys want to go ahead and hit him up, I'll leave his whole information down below. I'll even put his number. Oh,
Picture
full
for
warning, he's a hoe.
I'm not a hoe.
So
She's saying that the guys are trash, but basically it's because she got heartbroken or something.
girls are guys, like not hoes. Like
I'm not a hoe. I'm loyal as shit. I got
shut
paid.
the fuck up. Guys are hoes, so therefore Oscar's a hoe.
I'm not a hoe.
And
Boy, do
Yeah.
add more, my boy. And then you blend it with the ass, bro. From you blend it with the ass from Ulta.
mira, si empezaste y de repente.
I see like white and a bunch of estrellitas. See, she's such a bully. So now you put foundation by Ulta.
BH Cosmetics foundation in shade 209 Ivory Beige. Okay, before we interrupted Oscar, he didn't answer his question with what are his hobbies. So what are your hobbies?
I like taking pictures. So hit me up.
Technically, he does photography or whatnot.
A bigger booty blender.
So if you guys are in LA and you guys want a ugly photographer, you guys can go ahead and hit him up. You know, you can use it as an excuse to, like, you know, meet him or whatever. The way he actually beat my face better than I do it kind of shocked me.
I'm gonna have to do a little fade on my friend right here. Look at all that. Lighten it up. I also have a car. If you're trying to race me, let me know.
Don't.
Ahora, ¿qué más te pongo?
Since he doesn't want to answer any more questions of him because he thinks that you guys don't care about who he is, we're gonna go ahead and do. I had asked you guys to ask questions. We're just gonna go ahead and answer those.
So you gotta put more concealer.
So I'm just gonna say the basics. My actual name is Carla Giselle Saldana, which is why I put CG Saldana instead of putting my whole name. I am 20 years old. My birthday's in April 12th. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like answer the questions that you guys gave me.
And I'm gonna put this is like for morphine or morphine, whatever. It's for right here, like baking soda.
What he meant was setting powder for baking.
For baking your face.
Okay, for baking your face.
Face is a cake.
FYI, he hates doing anything around the eye, putting lashes or removing them especially.
Okay, so this is a palette that she threw me the other day. I'm using it. It's from morphine from Ulta. I don't know how to use it, but I'm gonna use probably this one and this one, I guess.
Somebody asked us how we met.
It's kind of a long story.
Yeah.
What do you mean,
it's kind of weird, you know. It's not weird, but it's like, so technically how we met. We met through Instagram.
I'm gonna fucking use this one.
Look what he did!
Fuck. That's just lit. Bro, look at my finger, bro.
Baby.
So that happened, and I'm gonna use this one.
Okay, so we technically met through Instagram. I guess he started following me, and then I followed him back. One day, we were needing someone to work at the job where I'm at, so I posted it on my IG story that we needed someone, and he told me that he was interested or whatnot, and well, yeah, he came to where I work at, so he got the job, and then it was kind of awkward at first because like
she was being rude. She didn't even say hi to me.
Shut the fuck up. Cause like
so I was just like all scared. I was freaked out. She didn't say anything like.
First of all, he's a liar because I came in. My mom works at the job where I'm at too, so it was like even worse because like
my mom was being like super nice and she just come like all mad, bro. Like
he's a liar because I said hi, and I'm not gonna say hi to my mom in English because she talks Spanish. So he just ignored me. So I was like, oh, okay.
What do you mean, bro? You never said anything.
I said hi. I did say hi. So he completely ignored me. So I was like, okay.
Damn, bro. I know a bunch of people are gonna be butthurt about this.
So you guys know I like going in with setting spray or, you know, just water if you guys want. So we got this one from Tarte, and we're gonna go ahead and use this dull color flat brush. So what we do, when you're gonna go ahead and add a shimmer, you go ahead and then you go ahead and apply the shimmer just to give it a little more of a pop.
I'm gonna use this one.
Yeah, that happened, and one day my mom told me to take him to drop off some boxes because he has like this small car that no le cabe nada.
So beat me, bro. Raise me.
So I had to take him, and yeah, I guess we started talking, and then we went to Six Flags.
That shit wasn't scary at all, but also
2 days after.
shitting it.
So, yeah, so like I low-key thought it was gonna be a bit awkward because I didn't even
know me.
I didn't even know him, and I don't know, like, but Six Flags is Six Flags, so bitch, I'll go to Six Flags with, I don't even care, like, I'll just go to Six Flags.
Would you go with your ex?
I don't give a fuck, I'll go to fucking Six Flags. Just kidding, I wouldn't go with my ex. Fuck that shit, we tried it last time, that shit went wrong. Okay, but yeah, so we went, and after Six Flags, yeah, this happened. Yeah. And yeah, that's how we met.
I believe this one, she got it from the 99 cents in the corner. Magic.
I got it from the app Very Dice. If you use code 2246569, and you get 50 free rolls and you get free shit. So I got this, the whole collection free, so go use my code.
Explain.
Okay, so another question would be one thing I hate about him and one thing I like about him. I don't like nothing about him. He's an asshole. So I'm just kidding. Just kidding. I mean, I'll say the thing that I hate about him first and then compliments at the end. What do I hate about him?
She doesn't hate anything about me.
I hate him because he's a fucking grosero.
No, I'm not.
One thing I like about him, well, I think you guys noticed this through the process. I'm always fucking laughing with him, so I guess that would be something I like about him. Okay, so I guess it's his turn.
He stressed me the fuck out. So, are you saying that she gets mad over anything? That's pretty much it, but
I don't.
yeah, she does.
I don't.
If she doesn't get stressed out, she gets mad. So, one thing I like, shit, I don't know. There's nothing. Nah, I guess he's like open-minded. He's open-minded. He's always like down to do stuff. That's it. Yeah. I'm showing you this shit.
If you guys have seen some other posts that I've done, I told you guys to clean your eyeliner. You guys can go ahead and do it with the concealer and Morphe M432, Morphine according to him. The brush Morphe M432, which would be this one. What he's gonna do is he's gonna go ahead, grab some concealer, and he's gonna go ahead and just technically blur out the extra eyeliner, and he's gonna, you know, sharpen it out. So let's see how he does that.
This is Blush by Note/Ulta. And this is from
Very nice.
Ulta.
That's not from Ulta.
Vale madre, Carla. Ríete todo lo que quieras. Eres un payaso. This is Highlight by The Wild and Wet. And this is a pencil from
It's not a pencil.
Ulta.
It's not from Ulta. I got it in my Ipsy bag. Okay.
Esta highlight chafa. Te voy a dar un fake, Carla. Ya me están dando el pelo.
No.
Sponsor me. Lipstick.
I don't know what he's doing. He was supposed to trace over my lips. I guess my lips are crooked like that, or he just simply doesn't know how to trace over a line.
Chichola.
You're probably shocked because my lips don't look so bad, but I actually cleaned out the outline. So now he's just filling them in, and I guess he knows how to color in. So
Hey, what's good?
he's gonna go ahead and use the Paddington lashes.
The grand finale. Just from
So setting spray. We're gonna use the Tarte Radiant setting spray.
now. You gotta see yourself, bro.
Okay, guys. So this is what he did. I haven't seen myself yet. He doesn't let me see myself during the process. So let's see what he.
Let's go, boy.
Oh my god, it's not bad.
Hey.
It's just the blush is a little too much. The liner is a little too thick.
Don't judge my work, bro. It's my first time. What do you mean? Hours of work put into this, bro.
This is not bad. Like,
Giving you a new you, bro, because it's new month. What? Do something then. See, this is how she is on the daily. She bullies me. Hard work. Look at this.
now he understands how long we take to
Yeah,
get
it's
ready.
like-
So for all of you guys that do their makeup before going to school,
He's like to all those girls, like, it's proud, but like, don't do that.
So yeah, you guys, this was his final work. Let us know if you guys liked it or not.
She's back.
I'm
She's
back.
back again, bro.
I'm back, you guys. I will try to post more often. Yeah, I'll leave his social media in the description box. So of course, ladies, you guys already know. Hit him up.
No,
And
don't
if you
hit me
guys
up.
need pictures or like you guys
Anything.
actually want shoots, you guys can go ahead and hit him up. So yeah, you guys remember to hit the subscribe and hit the like button if you guys liked how he did. We will see you guys, or I will see you guys, or if he's ever back, we will see you guys on my next videos. So bye.